Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to redeem your gift cards. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, in this video, we are going to follow this PayPal support article. And here we can learn that there is no direct way or any direct feature to redeem your gift cards. So basically, if you've run some gifts require activation before you redeem them. And if you receive an email about a gift card that requires activation, you should activate the gifts within 30 days from the date it was sent. And basically, an activated gift card will automatically be applied to your next online purchase. That means all you need to do is to get an email for the gift card or some other service that will transfer the funds to your PayPal so you can redeem the gift card. So as you can see, if we go to the wallet, we won't find any direct option of getting the gift card. And basically, you can simply just either be sent an email. That means you will need to have an email of this gift card, and they will uh, link you or they will redirect you where you can activate and redeem the gift card. Or basically, you can start using some services like Rewarble that uh, are creating some gift cards. So basically, you can start creating gift cards as you can see, you can create a virtual card, recharge your wallet by using such services, and one of them is PayPal. So basically, if you have redeemed your gift card, you can just click on redeem code, and then you will enter the gift card code and choose where you want the money to be transferred. And in your case, it will be PayPal. And basically, you will enter your email address, and basically, you enter the code of the gift card, and you will receive the funds directly to your PayPal. And simply, this is how the PayPal gift cards work. All you need to do is just to get either the email or some other ways to redeem the funds, and basically, you will get your reward. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.